Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our last chapter, that is chapter number 15, surface areas and volumes. In our introduction part, we have discussed all the formulas of solids like CSA, TSA, volume. Now we are going to start our first exercise in this chapter, that is exercise 15.1. First problem. Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting solid. Let's take two cubes. Imagine this is a cube and this is also a cube, and this we call it as a Lubric's cube. What is your problem? Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. This cube volume is how much? 64 centimeter cube. And this cube volume is 64 centimeter cube. Two cubes are joined together. If these two cubes are joined together, what is the resulting solid you get? These two cubes are joined end to end. What is the solid you can see? Yes, it is a cuboid. You need to find the surface area of the resulting solid. Resulting solid is, what is this one? Cuboid. This cuboid total surface area we need to calculate. Let's start our problem by drawing two cubes on board. How to draw cube easily? Draw two squares. Join the corners. Okay, this is single cube. If one more cube is joined for this cube, how to draw this one? Extend like this, little smaller than this line, and again this one, little smaller, then join like this, and then yes, we are going to get a cuboid. Each cube, when I talk, let me draw one more figure. What is a given question? Each cube volume is 64 centimeter cube. Volume means the quantity inside the cube. Then this is 64 centimeter cube. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate the surface area of cuboid. Which surface? Total surface area we need to calculate. We know the volume of a cube. We need to find any one side of this cube. In this cube, all sides are equal. So let us calculate the side length. Answer: given volume of a cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. But we know the formula. What is the formula for volume of a cube? We know that volume of a cube is a cube. A cube, volume of a cube is given, that is 64. Equate for this formula. A is equal to cube, send other side. Cube the root of 64. Cube the root of 64. Check whether 64 is a perfect cube. Yes. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. I write this as cube the root of 4 cube. Cube and cube the root will be cancelled. Therefore, A is equal to 4 centimeters. What is this A? Side length. Each side is equal to 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay, we are talking with one cube. Then what about another cube? Another cube is also having same volume. Then side length is 4 centimeters. Now observe this figure. This from here to here it is 4 and here to here it is 4. So cuboid length is 4 plus 4. 8 centimeters, and its breadth 4 centimeters, height 4 centimeters. right? only length will be changed when two cubes are joined together to form a cuboid, and length is 8 centimeters. A 4 centimeters, no children. Write this as side length of a cube is equal to 4 centimeters. Next one. Two cubes joined together end to end, that all given. No need, join together, you can write join together to form a cuboid, okay. Find the surface area of the resulting solid. Resulting solid is cuboid. Therefore, total surface area of cuboid is equal to, what is TSA of a cuboid formula? 2 times LB plus BH plus HL is the formula for TSA of a cuboid. So, children, you may get a doubt. They asked only surface area. Why we are finding total surface area? They asked us that two solids join to form a new solid. Find the surface area of the solid. They did not specify only lateral surface area. Okay, if they ask only lateral surface area, we would have found lateral surface area. The resulting cuboid area means total surface area. So from this figure, we can write length, breadth and height. Length is equal to 8 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. And height is equal to 4 centimeters. Substitute in the formula. TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB. LB means 8 into 4 plus BH 4 into 4 plus HL 4 into 8. 8 fours are 32, 4 fours are 16, 4 eights are 32. Now add all this, what you are going to get? 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 6, 7, 8, 80. 2 times 80, that will be 80 into 2, 160 centimeter square. Always area in square units. Therefore, TSA of a cuboid is equal to 160 centimeter square or 160 square centimeters also you can write. Okay, is this followed? End this problem with this statement. Therefore, the total surface area of the resulting cuboid is equal to 160 square centimeters. Let's see the second problem. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Okay, let us draw here hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere, mounted by a hollow cylinder. Let us place a cylinder here. Okay. Hemisphere and a cylinder is placed top of it. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeters. Diameter means from here to here it is 14 centimeters. And the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. See children, when we talk about height from here to here, what is this height? 13 centimeters is the height of the vessel. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. What is the inner surface area of the given vessel. Okay, let's try to imagine here, children. Though it is a solid figures, they are not hollow. But imagine this is hollow. Hollow hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder. This is one vessel. You need to find inside CSA curved surface area of this vessel. We need to calculate. You can see the figure. They have given diameter 14 centimeters. Diameter of what? Hemisphere given. Then what is the diameter of cylinder? Same. It is placed on top of hemisphere. What you have for hemisphere, same diameter will be there for the cylinder. Right? Let's start our solution. Given these type of problems, statements carry marks, children. Please be careful of writing all the given data and have your solving also stepwise you need to solve. Given diameter of hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to 14 centimeters. That means D is equal to 14 centimeters. I want radius. Radius, how we are going to get? Diameter half is radius. 14 by 2, 7. 7 centimeters is the radius of hemisphere. Next, total height of the vessel. Given height of the vessel. Height of the vessel is equal to how much? 13 centimeters. Height of the vessel given, they asked us to find inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel is equal to question mark. We need to calculate that. And by using this statement, what is that? Height of the vessel. Height of the vessel, how much? 13 centimeters. Now, combination of solids there here. Means one hemisphere and a cylinder. Two solids are combinedly made into a vessel. You can see here combination of solids, that is hemisphere and cylinder there. We need to divide the dimensions separately. How? Radius. Radius is how much? 7 centimeters. For hemisphere, radius is 7 centimeters. And for the cylinder, radius is also 7 centimeters. Okay. Now, height we need to divide for both the solids. From here to here, right? Total from here to here it is 13 centimeters. Then observe here carefully, children. In hemisphere, if you join from center any point on the circumference, you get the radius. So this is 7, this will be 7 and this will be 7. Means height of the hemisphere is 7 centimeters. Now from here to here it is 7. Then what about cylinder height? Total height is 13 and hemisphere height is 7. 13 minus 7 will give you the cylinder height. That means 13 minus 7 will be 6 centimeters. Write that separately, children, here. Radius. If I talk about first solid there, radius of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeters. Height of cylinder. Only height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is equal to 13 minus 7 you can say, or directly you can write 6 centimeters. 13 minus 7 will give you 6. Next. Radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeters. For hemisphere, only radius is enough. Now, what is the formula for finding the surface area of the vessel? Inner or outer, same curved surface area we take. Right here, inner surface area of the vessel is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. We need to add these two formulas, children. We are going to get the answer. So let me write here. Just I write the shortcut. Inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel is equal to, I start from here, CSA of a cylinder. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder formula? 2 pi r h. Okay, and what is the CSA of a hemisphere? It is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. First thing you need to do in this chapter, simplify the formulas. If anything you can take out common, then you can substitute. Is there anything common? Yes. 2 pi r is common. Observe here, both solids are having same radius. 2 pi r is common, h plus r. Now substitute this. 2 into pi value will be 22/7. R, radius 7, brackets, height of what? We are talking height of cylinder. Cylinder height is 6 and radius is 7. This 7 will be cancelled. 2 22s are 44 into 6 plus 7, 13. Now we are going to multiply these two, children. That will be 44 into 13. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 44. It will be 572. Therefore, inner surface area of the given vessel, is equal to 572 centimeter square. Therefore, the total area of this vessel, inner surface area. If they ask you outer surface area also, same answer you are going to get here. Inner surface area of this vessel is equal to 572 centimeter square. Let us see the third problem. A toy is in the form of a cone. Let's see, this is a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters. Let me draw a cone. Okay. Cone of radius 3.5 centimeters. From here to here is the radius. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Where is this cone mounted? This cone is mounted on a hemisphere having same radius. Look here, children. Hemisphere and a cone. Cone is mounted on hemisphere having same radius. What is the radius? Radius of a cone is 3.5 centimeters and radius of a hemisphere is also 3.5 centimeters. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height means from here to here. How much? 15.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the toy. Find the total surface area means don't think that TSA formula. Look here carefully. CSA of a hemisphere plus CSA of a cone. Most of the children will be confused with a tiny word. Find the total surface area. Immediately you think of, oh, TSA formula I need to use. But it is wrong. Look here, this toy has only curved faces. This curved face and this curved face. Means we talk only CSA. CSA of a hemisphere plus CSA of a cone. Combinedly these two areas they are calling here as total surface area of the toy. But not TSA. Don't be confused. Okay, think carefully before applying your formula. Now you have figure. You need to split the dimension. Hemisphere radius is 3.5 centimeter. Cone radius is 3.5 centimeter. Now if I draw like this, what happened? Hemisphere height. This is how much? It will be 3.5 centimeters. What is cone height? Cone height. Cone height from here to here it is 15.5. But here only hemisphere height is 3.5. Subtract in this, you are going to get 12 centimeters. Like this, first you divide the given values and then start your problem. Solution. Given a toy is in the form of a cone and mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, and now hemisphere radius. Hemisphere radius is equal to, how much radius given? 3.5 centimeters. Cone radius. Cone radius is also same. Cone radius is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Now height of the cone. Height of the cone. See children, while you are writing your statements, you can use R. R radius indicates R. Height of the cone H is equal to, like this letters also you represent. Height of the cone, how we are going to get? In 15.5 centimeters, if you subtract 3.5, you are going to get 12 centimeters. That is the height of the cone. Next, let us write the formula here. Total TSA you can write children. Total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of a hemisphere plus CSA of a cone. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Hemisphere. Write the formula here. CSA of a cone formula is pi RL. CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Yes, stop. You know only r. Where is this L? Do you have L? No, we don't have L. So we need to calculate first cone slant height. L is what? Cone slant height. Let us calculate L and then start there. L, we know formula L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Slant height, this slant height we need to calculate. L is equal to, what is cone radius? 3.5 whole square plus height 12 whole square. Then this will be 3.5 whole square children. Just let us multiply 3.5 into 3.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 3 5s 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. That will be 1225 12.25. Square root of 12.25 plus 12 12s are 144. Then this will be 144 plus 12. Square root of 156.25. This square root we need to calculate. How can I calculate this? Okay, let us remove decimal. L is equal to square root of 15625. After decimal point, how many numbers you have? 2. So that means you write here 100. Try to cancel. 25 4s are 100. 25 6 25s are 15,625. So write directly. L is equal to square root of 625 by 4. 625 is a perfect square and 4 is also a perfect square. Remove from root. 625 means what? L is equal to 25 by 2 whole square. 25 is 625. 4 means 2 2s are 4. Square and square root cancel. Therefore, slant height is equal to 25 by 2 centimeters. If you want, you can convert that into decimal. I don't convert into decimal. As it is, I substitute there. Is there anything common? Yes. Pi r is common. If anything is common, you can take out common first. Pi r into L plus 2r. Pi value is 22 by 7. R value, radius is how much? 3.5. 3.5 into L value is 25 by 2 plus 2 into 3.5. Now this 3.5, remove decimal point, 35 by 10. 7 5s are 35 and 5 1s, 5 2s are 10 and this 2 11s are. It will be 11 into 25 by 2 plus, here also same manner, remove this decimal, by 10. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. 2 2 cancel. You are left with 7. Do LCM. 11 into 25 plus 14. That will be 11 into 25 plus 14 will be 39 by 2. 11 39s are, multiply here, 39 11s are, it will be 429 is equal to 429 by 2. Cancel. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 0.5. Therefore, what is this one? You can write here. Therefore, TSA of a toy is equal to 214.52 centimeter square. Area is always in square units. Therefore, total surface area of a toy is equal to 214.52 centimeter square. With this, we are going to end our session today. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next 3 problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.